Good morning, children. How are you all? This is R. Sujna, your English teacher. Last week, we discussed an interesting lesson called Tenali Rama and Thieves, and we have completed some activities part of this lesson. So, let us continue the second part of the activities. Okay, children, all of you pick up your textbook and get ready with your pencil and eraser. Okay, all of you go to page number 8 in your English textbook. Page number 8. Okay, I hope you have completed activity 5. Activity 5 is nothing but the coloring of the common nouns and proper nouns. I hope you have done that coloring part because you love drawing na. So I hope you have completed it. Okay, let's move on to the important topic of writing. So this is very important. This is not particular to English subject. It is useful for all the subjects. Whenever you come across writing na, you have to follow these rules. Okay, so let's see what they have given. Read the following sentences and observe the capital letters. Okay, I'll read out the paragraph. The thieves heard the conversation and became very happy. They waited patiently for Tenali Rama and his wife to put the box into the well. Okay, so they have given these two sentences. Here we have to follow the rules of writing. Okay, next line, we use the capital letters in the following conditions. Okay, ma, you have been writing, you have been using alphabets since your baby class, so you are all thorough with the capital letters and small letters. But the thing is, we should know where should we use capital letters and where should we use small letters. So capital letters are also known as big letters. Okay, when we have to use the capital letters, all of you see the diagram given below. So the first one, names of the persons. Suppose my name is Sujana. Suppose if I want to write my name, my name should start with big S, means capital S, Sujana. So I should use big capital letter for writing my name. The first letter should be the big letter. So when you are writing the names of the persons, you should use capital letters. Next, names of months and days. Suppose your birthday is in July, so in that case you should write the, how do you write the month name? July. So the first letter of July should be a big letter. Remember one more thing, never, don't write capital letters in the middle of a word. Most of the students do this mistake, like July, big J, small u, big L and small y. Is it correct? No, na? So we should never use big letters or capital letters in the middle of the word. Okay, suppose your birthday is on Friday. So for Friday also you have to use capital F. So when you are writing the names of the persons, names of the months and days, you should use capital letter. Okay, next, names of holidays. Like you, when do you get holidays? You get holidays for festivals like Ramzan, Bakrid, Christmas, Diwali, Dashera, Sankranti, like that na. So whenever you are writing the festival names, in that case also you have to use capital letter. Okay, so you should use the capital letter as the first letter of the word. Never write small letter in the beginning of the word. Okay, at the beginning of a sentence, suppose I told you a sentence like he is Ramu. So that boy name is Ramu. So how do you write the sentence? He is Ramu. H should be H-E. H should be a capital letter. Never write small letters in the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Next, names of the places. Suppose Madanapalli, Vijayawada, Chennai. So these are all the names of the places na. So in that case also you have to use capital letter. Chennai, big C, big capital C, Hennai, like that. Okay. And the word I. Suppose I am a girl, I am R Sujna, I am a teacher. In these cases also the letter I should be a capital letter. Never use a small letter. Okay na? So these are the conditions for using the capital letter. Okay. Next, all of you go to page number 9. They have given a small activity related to these capital letters. This is very simple. I think you can do it very easily. Okay, let's see the first sentence. What they have given in the sentence? He is in the market. So did you find the mistake here? Yes, the he, so that marks the beginning of the sentence. What they have done, they have used small letter. We have to write capital letter in the beginning of the sentence. Just now we discussed na. So see the answer, he is in the market. End of the sentence you should use a full stop. Okay. Next, second sentence. Kohli is a cricket player. Do you know Kohli? Virat Kohli. He is the Indian cricket captain na. So you are all familiar. You know about Kohli. So what they have given here? Kohli is a cricket player. And here they committed one mistake. What is the mistake? Kohli. Kohli is the name of a person. So the beginning letter should be a capital letter, but they have given small k. So you have to correct it. Kohli. Kohli is a cricket player. So the first letter should be a big letter. Next, third one. I like Vishakhapatnam. Just now I told you, whenever you come across I, you should use capital letter. So I should be big letter. I like Vishakhapatnam. Okay. Next, we celebrate Christmas on the 25th December every year. Here they have committed 3 mistakes. Can you identify them? Yes, beginning of the sentence, we, W should be a capital letter, but they wrote small letter. So you should write big W, capital W. We celebrate Christmas. Christmas is the name of a festival. So big letter, you should use capital C, Christmas. On the 25th December. December is the name of the month. So you should use capital D. So 25th December every year. Have you got it? Okay. Next. I am going to Bengaluru on Sunday. So I should be capital I. And Bengaluru is the name of the place. So you should write capital B. And Sunday is the name of the day. So you should write capital S. So I am going to Bengaluru on Sunday. So if you know the rules of writing na, you can write answer for any kind of question. If they give you even 100 questions na, you can write them very easily. Okay. So learn the rules of the language properly. Okay ma? Good. Next, all of you move to activity 7 in the same page. This is very simple. This one you have to tell me. Okay. See, study the following sentences. Observe the pictures given below. Write the relevant sentence for each picture. Okay. Here what they have done, they have given you different pictures and they have given you different sentences, and the sentences are not given in a particular order. You have to select the appropriate sentence and you have to write by seeing the picture. Okay, first all of you see the first picture. Okay, who is this person? Yes, Tenali Rama. What he is doing here? You can see a plant. What he is doing? Tenali Rama was watering the plant. Watering the plants. Okay, you can get this sentence in the above sentences 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the fifth sentence. Tenali Rama was watering the plants. Okay, all of you turn the page. Go to page number 10. Go. Okay, see the second picture. Who are they? You and me. We are hiding behind the bushes. No, na? So who are they? Those two persons are thieves. Okay, so you have to write Tenali Rama saw the two thieves hiding in the bush. Okay, next, see the next picture. Okay, what is this third picture? Tenali Rama and his wife dropped the box into the well. Okay, actually all these sentences are all they have given you. You don't need to worry about them. You just see the picture and write it from the list of those sentences. Next, go to the next picture. Okay, what these two thieves are doing here? They are drawing water from the well and they are watering the plants, like they are throwing the water. So thieves drew all the water from the well. Okay, go to next picture. Okay, these thieves, they opened the box. What they found? Gold or silver? Nothing. They got stones. Okay, the thieves were shocked to see the stones in the box. Let's move on to the next picture. Okay, what Tenali Rama is seeing? These two thieves are running away from Tenali Ramakrishna's house. Tenali Ramakrishna was watching them behind. Okay, thieves ran away from Tenali Ramakrishna. Okay, so this is called picture for interaction. Like they give you the set of sentences and they give you the pictures. You have to identify which sentence is appropriate and you have to write it. It's very simple. Do you leave, if you get this question in your question paper, do you leave this? No, you should never leave this kind of questions. Okay. Okay, ma, all of you go to page number 11. Activity 8. Okay. Okay, what they have given you? Your teacher will say aloud the following words. Listen to them carefully and write them in your notebook. Yeah, this is the homework now I am giving you. They have given you a list of words. You have to write them in your rough book 3 times. Okay, all of you say with me. Jester, jester. Next word, thieves, thieves. Third word, jewelry, jewelry. Next word, garden, garden. Next one, difficulty, difficulty. Next word, reward, reward. Next one, palace, palace. Next one, couple, couple. Next one, stones, stones. Last word, draw, draw. So all of you say these words many times, okay, and write them in your rough book. Okay, next move on to another activity called listening and responding. Listening and responding means you have to listen to me and you have to respond to me. Okay, na? Okay, all of you see this picture. Who is this person in this picture? He is none other than Tenali Rama. He is introducing about himself. So listen to your teacher what she or he says. This person Tenali Rama is saying hi to you. Hi children, I am Tenali Rama. I am a poet in the court of Sri Krishna Devaraya. I am popular as a jester. Now tell about yourself. Suppose if you ask me, ma'am, you tell about yourself, what should I tell? I say, hi children, I am R. Sujana. I am a teacher. I teach English for you. I am working in Hope English Medium High School. Suppose if I ask about you, na, you have to tell like, hi ma'am, this is Raju and I am studying third standard, like that. You have to introduce yourself. This is very simple. Practice it at home. Okay, go to next activity 10. Okay, see this picture is very beautiful, na? Okay, Tenali Rama had a garden in his house. Ask any three of your friends about their garden and share it with your class. Okay, ma. Tenali Rama had a garden in his house. You all know about it. Here, what we have to do, you have to ask your friends, ask them whether they have any garden at their home or not. Okay. First question, do you have a garden in your house? If you have a garden, you should say, yes, I have a garden in my house. Which plants are there? Suppose you are having some plants at your home or trees. You can say, I have mango tree, I have coconut tree, I have jasmine plant, like that. Okay. So, what kind of plants would you like to grow? Like the kind of plants you want to grow at your home, you can say. So, share these three things with your friends and collect the information from your friends. Okay. Okay, all of you see this, they have given a small question and answer like that. Okay, do you have a garden in your house? Yes, I have a small garden in our house. Which plants are there? There are rose, marigold, dahlia, jasmine plants and some vegetables. What kind of plants would you like to grow? We would like to grow flowering plants. Okay, all of you go to page number 12. Okay, activity 11. Your teacher will read the following words. Repeat after your teacher. It means that when I say some words, you have to repeat after me. Okay, see, they look very similar. Okay, listen carefully. Take, take, make, bake, great, shape, rate, fate, male, great, wait, sail. So all of you practice these words. Okay, they seem to be, they are rhyming words. Okay, next, go to the next activity, fun time. Okay, fun time. Read the following joke from a classroom wall magazine. Okay, here they have given you two jokes. Okay, so you have to laugh. Okay, what they have given? Which letter is always cool? Okay, how many alphabets we have in English? We have 26 alphabets, na? But one letter seems to be very cool. It's very cool. What is that letter? That letter is B. Why B is so cool? Because B comes between A and C. A and C means AC. AC means air conditioner. So B is always between A and C, na? That's why B is cool. Okay? Next one. Which word starts with the letter E and ends with E and only one letter in it? Okay, so which word starts with the letter E and ends with E and only one letter in it? Okay, the word is an envelope. Envelope, all of you see, envelope, the starting letter is E and the ending letter is E. Okay, so this is another 1. Okay, so go to activity 12, next activity, the same page, in the same page. Okay, activity 12, what they have given, collect some more jokes and share them in the classroom. Okay, if you have any comic books at your home, na, read them and collect some more jokes, and you have to tell me the jokes in my classroom. Okay na? Okay, this is the end of our first unit, Tenali Rama and the Thieves. So I hope you understood all the concepts, all the activities. So all of you go through them once again. Okay mom, take care, bye.